Welcome to Scriptico. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of infinite iterators found in Python's itertools module. These unique tools generate endless sequences of items, which can be incredibly useful for certain programming tasks. However, we must tread carefully to prevent unwanted infinite loops in our code. Let's start with the count function. This function is somewhat similar to Python's built-in range but doesn't stop at a predetermined limit. Instead, it keeps counting indefinitely. You just need to provide two arguments, the starting point and the increment value. In this example, counting begins at 100 and increases by 5 each iteration. The loop continues until the index exceeds 110, at which point we break the loop. Next up is the cycle function. This function allows you to traverse through an iterable endlessly. It's perfect for situations where you need to repeat a pattern, such as cycling through characters in a string. Here, we cycle through the string ABC. Once we reach C, we start over with A. We only let it run for 5 iterations to avoid an infinite loop. Now, let's take a more advanced look at cycling through a list. This time, we'll not only print the current item, but also the next item in the cycle. In this script, we display the current and next items in the cycle, giving us a clearer view of how the iteration works. You'll notice the output cycles through the items A, B, and C. Finally, we have the repeat function. This function simply repeats an object endlessly unless you specify how many times it should be repeated. In this example, we're repeating the list AB and the string CD 3 times. Unlike the other functions, repeat can finish on its own when we provide the times argument. In conclusion, the infinite iterator functions in the itertools module, count, cycle, and repeat, offer remarkable flexibility for generating sequences in your programs. They allow for efficient data generation without consuming excessive memory. Thanks for watching, and happy coding with Scriptico.